Good morning. It is freezing out today. It is 41 degrees right now. It's only going to get up to 49. And I wanted to show you guys what's been going on. Today is March 1st. I haven't put anything more in a raised bed or in this higher raised bed. But I did replant my collards, my spinach, and both of my kales. So those are on the heating mat. I used to have a light when I had first did or tried to do my gardening, and that, I don't know where that is. I could have donated it. And I also just took the cover off of my small, what is this, greenhouse. So I just took the cover off of that. I'm about to look at this stuff and water it and see see if it needs to be watered, and then I'm gonna water it. Actually, nothing needs to be watered. They still have a good amount of water in them, so I'm gonna just let them be. I want to show you guys something. So is this, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. It's is this damping off? I'm almost certain. Oh, well, there we have it. I'm pretty sure that's what that was. I think I've looked it up, and I think that's what it's called. This little guy is taking his time, just taking his sweet old time. That's okay. But yeah, these I still need to throw. These are all raggedy. And then down here, my pepper plants are actually doing these are peppers, are doing very well. And spaghetti squash is looking fine. This right here is cucumber. Sorry, forgot to say that. This I'm gonna toss this weekend. I probably won't be out here too much today because it's going to be cold, but we will see. I actually picked up some more trays. I need to wash them. I wash my trays. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I use like some dishwashing liquid and wash them. I also picked up these ones from the local garden nursery. I picked these ones up as well, so these ones need to be washed out too. I think these are just like they're old ones, so I most definitely am going to wash those out. This white bucket just has soil in it, and in this gray bucket I have just worms that I feed. I don't think they need to be fed. I might have to feed them. I don't know, we'll see. I have to look and see if there's any food left in there or any scraps left in there. I know this isn't the correct way to store worms or whatever you do with them, but I wanted to collect a lot of worms before I actually buy a worm house or whatever it may be called. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys last night. Like I said, I restarted all my seeds. They're sitting on a heating mat on top of my refrigerator because I don't have anywhere else to put them. I have a pepper plant back there that I have purchased. That I purchased from the garden nursery, my local garden nursery. This stuff, I'm about to put some water at the bottom. But yeah, starting all over. This is a straw that I'm going to use to cover up the potatoes. I picked this up from Home Depot. Not sure if it's a good brand or even if it matters, but this is what I used because this is all that I could find. I have decided that I am going to dump the container with the store-bought potatoes simply because a lot of people have been telling me in my comments that they're more than likely not going to grow because store-bought potatoes are sprayed with something that makes them not sprout. So I figured since they already had sprouted that they would continue to grow. So that was my thinking. Guess not. I did a little bit more research on it, and then everything that I found that I researched said that store-bought potatoes more than likely will not grow. But if you wanted to plant them to see, you can do that. Me, I'm like, yeah, I don't need any more disappointment in my life. So I'm just going to go ahead, dump them, and start all over. So it's time to... Well, I think it's time to up-pot my pepper, cayenne pepper that I got from the garden nursery. So that's what I'm about to do now. Let's say RIP to another plant I have killed. It looks so nice right here. Well, sort of looks nice. And yes, I have killed my cayenne pepper plant, you guys. This gardening is a struggle. I honestly did not think it was going to be this difficult. I didn't think it was going to be like a walk in the park, but I didn't think everything I touch was going to die. Like simply, I don't have a green thumb. My thumb is brown. It is absolute. It might be black at this point because everything I touch is dying. And I know that I brought my cayenne pepper plant outside too early. I knew I shouldn't have did that. I don't know if uppotting it had anything to do with it, but I had it in the house. Again, I am limited to space in my house, and I had it on top of the refrigerator, and it looked like it was sad. It was drooping, and I just brought it outside and I put it in the greenhouse and figured it would do better out there. But yeah, nope, killed it. It's gone. This is the last time you will see this looking so lovely. I would like to thank everyone that has been encouraging me and rooting me on, because when I saw that my pepper plant was dying today, you guys, the day that I'm actually doing this voiceover, I was like, okay, Evita, what are you doing? Like, why are you killing everything? But I read some of your comments and on my last video about the mistakes I've made. You guys are very encouraging, telling me, hey, mistakes are going to be made. Some people telling me, hey, this is my first year. Maybe last year was their first year and they didn't get a big size of produce like they thought they would, but it was a learning experience. So I'm going to, again, use this year as my learning experience, a very expensive learning experience, but it has to be done because I am determined to grow the majority of my food. As I eat plant-based. My family is not plant-based. Hey, I'm cool with it. My family isn't plant-based, but I am. I haven't had any type of animal products since 2016, but I actually became a vegetarian in 2011. So with fruits, vegetables, and things like that playing a major role in my diet, I want to play an actual major role in growing all of the food that I actually consume. This is, again, my learning year. I am determined to stop buying things from the grocery store that have been sprayed with a lot of pesticides and God knows what else, but I am very determined. Again, the reason why I started my journey is I went to a farmer's market. I literally just started going to a farmer's market, a good farmer's market, last summer. 2023, and I was amazed at how these small farmers were like growing things. Of course, I don't need to sell anything, but I was amazed at the taste of the produce that they were selling. It tastes totally different from what I purchased from the grocery store, and I was like, this is what I want to do. I want to do this for my health. I want to do it for my family's health. I want to play a major role in the food that we all consume. All right, so can anyone tell me why right here it's turning brown? Do I need to do something? Also, these leaves are dying off as well. Do I need to cut them off? I did have this in the house for a very long, well, not a long time, probably like a week and a half. And I don't know, what did I do wrong? I mean, I feel like it'd be better outside now, but all of the leaves are like a different color, and the brown leaves right here, this worries me. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what's happening to my cayenne pepper plant.
Can I help now?
All right, now we have a special guest. Zion is going to help me plant some onions. Are you going to help me plant some onions?
I'm helping with this. So we're gonna pay 2.
Yeah, we're going to do a lot. So, what we're going to do
is
you're going to hold that open for TT. And we're going to plant some onions. Thank you, sir. I need a bigger.
No, you need a bigger one that can handle one.
I think I'm going to just take some from right here.
Oh.
And then refill it.
Can I help? TT, can I dig it out too?
Yes. Here.
1, dig!
Oh!
That's funny.
It is. Let's just do that. And we could do it with our hands too. Look. And put it in here. Thank you, sir. Keep going. Keep going.
I was just using the depth it up.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, sir. Oh, be careful. We're going to take some perlite.
Yep.
Nope, just TT. Thank you, though.
So we need more?
Yeah, it's a lot of dirt. We got to fill this all the way up.
I picked a big one.
Yes, you did. Thank you.
Boy. I didn't know how you bought me one.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot my rain boots.
Your mommy gonna have to bring them. Now we're gonna put our onions in here. All right, wait. Let me go grab the onion.
I just like onions now.
You do?
I got a piece of macaron.
All right, so watch what I do. You gonna put a little bit more? Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sprinkle down. Oh, can I get one?
Yes, let's grab one.
I got one.
Thank you. Now watch how I put it in. We're gonna put it in just like this. Can you see in there?
Yeah.
All right,
Did you put it in there?
Yeah, good job. Thank you. Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah.
Move it.
That's a big.
Yeah, it was.
Can I see a little one right there?
Well, they can't be too close to each other. Let me see. Good job, but we're gonna move that one.
Yeah, that's one too big.
Oh, that's a big one.
What does it make it too?
Now we need to put some more dirt on top of there. So start putting some dirt on there.
Huh?
So yep, go put the dirt on the onions.
See?
We need a lot.
I got a big one.
You sure do. Thank you, buddy. All right.
Ah, you got a big one.
I did. All right, we're finished with that one. Now we gotta get another bag.
Yeah. And TT.
Yes, sir.
How often the water get in there?
The rain.
Oh,
You okay? You need some tissue?
No,
Okay.
I got the dirt.
Okay, wait a minute. All right, wait a minute. There you go. All right, thank you.
I crushed it.
I see.
I can a very big one. Whoa!
Don't rip it off. Don't rip it off. I know you're tempted, but we don't need to tear that off. Thank you, though. Alright, so before I close out, I wanted to show you guys how this is doing. This is my dino kale. Okay, come through dino kale. Now, my collards, look at that one. And look at this one. So, and this is black magic kale. Don't know what happened. Oh wait, it's right there. I don't know what happened to that one. And yeah, these ones are doing not so great, but my dino kale is actually doing pretty good. Okay, well this one's missing. Let's see. All right, don't know what happened with that one, but you know, there we go. Well, that is it. I don't think I said the date, but I'll more than likely have put it on the screen. But thank you all so very much for joining me for this garden update. I will check in later this week.